been using this air fryer from Sur La Table for a while now. I got the 5-quart version of it. I was looking through some frequently asked questions, so I'm going to answer those for you and hopefully help you out with your purchase. The first question I saw is actual dimensions of the air fryer basket. It's 11.7 by 4, and then I also saw, does it come with a fry basket and liner? So it does not come with liners or a fry basket put in there, but it does have a removable tray at the bottom so you can get out any excess crumbs or anything like that once you're done cooking, so you can keep it clean. And then the second question I saw is, does it have a preheat option? So it does not have a preheat option. They do say to preheat it for 10 minutes, and to do that, all you gotta do is just add time to your cooking time, which is super easy. You just hit the time button and then hit the plus button. You can add as many minutes as you want, and then that's the same way that you would change the temperature too. So everything has big buttons on it, and it's really super easy to use. And then the final question I saw is, does it turn off when it's done? So here you go. You can see once it's done, it'll say end. It'll beep a few times, and then it'll turn off for you. Hopefully that answered your questions. Another cool feature about this air fryer is that it actually has a light button on it, so you can check your food without having to open up the air fryer, which I thought is a cool perk to this. But overall, I'm super happy with my purchase, and it definitely replaced my old air fryer. It's made my kitchen a lot better.